ka jingelang jong kilai teli ki district council ka jala mekhlaya kata ka HEDC GHDC ba GHDC hakawle shimata de ki CM ju kilai teli ki council ta koi ka sor kila pen pau ya ka jing thu ka sokar pedang ban pentrikam ya ka uniform civil code ari India brak away man kaleng jong ki kila rai ba ki kilai teli ki council ken sa pass ka official resolution man pyrshah ya ka ni ba kumjuru bandawa ba di ban pelai ya ka jing pentrikam ju ne ka an hapo purusam ju ki kilai teli ki council Habikan begini untuk khabar usiam ke HDC ubat titos khan ong bagajeng sim kan karai ke namar lada wanra ye ne kaan kan kata shibun ya gajeng trekam ke council namar kadon gajeng tengku ke babon ba kirti ke distur bat kumjuru kirkom senchatan rai jong gijat ben riu ke badan ka jalan mekhlaya ulong rup mana kaleng ke lai ke council ke sim ke karai ban pyrshah alor ki katukon ki kendon ki bathum pendrung thamai ha gajeng pen kelai ka khnit ke ben riu jong kirti senchar kar India kita kilong ha kabedi ba gajing thu ban ailat yaki unrepresented tribe bat kumjuru alo gajing thu ban wanra yaka village council namalada gajing wan joki kandon gajing tengkhu apreng kir kom sensar berdan lupa ulong ru ba kajarang kalarai ba ka jaga village council ajing bot ban wanra de village development council bat ong ban kalang kajarang kalarai ba kinik kiman onsetai ba ha ki laiteli king darbar jok district council.
So, friends, today we are having this meeting of all the 3D ADC, represented by the Honorable CM of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, along with Deputy CM, and CM of Jylla Hills Autonomous District Council, along with Deputy CM and PMs. And from Khasi myself and all the executive members, including our respected chairman of the council. So we have a very cordial, successful meeting today. We have discussed some important issue, especially regarding the intention of the central government to introduce their bill of uniform civil code in the country. So we feel that UCC will directly have an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have unanimously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. We will resolution in our respective council soon regarding this matter. Secondly, regarding the amendment of the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule, this matter has been kept for so long. So we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues, that is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. These are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Garo Hills and Jylla Hills that in KHEDC we have passed an act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, which they should pass this bill, so that implementation of village council will not no longer implement in our state because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in the respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council like Jayanta Hills and Garo Hill also. Maybe they will have more amendment or they will pass this separate bill which we call Village Development Council bill. This which we have discussed is regarding financial matters. You see, we used to get a share from the state government, like minor mineral share, major mineral share, and motor vehicle tax share from the state government. But unfortunately, all these years, we never get a correct, correct calculation how much our share used to be. We always got a lump sum amount of share. So we would like to urge the state government that at least we should get an actual calculation regarding this matter, all these years. So we would like also to urge the state government to get more fund for all the three ADC, especially like the plant scheme, other financial assistance, and even we have discussed about the delay in our 15 financial assistance, 15 Finance Commission award, which we used to get from the central government regarding like the GTC, or to urge the government to release our fund in time, because the delaying of release of fund is also the delay of implementation of the scheme. Because from the central government they used to give us pressure to submit the UC, but we cannot submit our UC in time because we didn't get our fund in time. So right now we are not getting our fund like on-tight scheme right from 21, 22 to 23 we have not get. Like health scheme also we are not getting till now. So these are the problems which we face by all the three ADC. So we would like jointly to urge the state government to see this kind of delaying in implementation of the scheme should not be taken place. We have discussed about the implementation of this Swamita scheme by the central government, that we are totally opposed regarding this implementation of this scheme in our state, because our land tenure system is totally different from other states in the country. We have our traditional practice, we have our own land holding system in our state. So that's why implementation of Swamita scheme in our state we are not accepting. So these are the few points that we have discussed. So I would like my colleagues also, our honorable CM from Jayanta Hills and CM from Garo Hills would like to add more details we have discussed. Scheduled Tribe Certificate. So previously, as you know, that issuing of Scheduled Tribe Certificate was issued by the District Council. So now also we would like to urge the state government that this subject should be given back to all the autonomous district council for issuing the Scheduled Tribe Certificate.
And we have discussed
See also by respective deputy commissioner. So this issue also we have to get before issuing any PRC by the district administration, should get first the confirmation from all the district council. They have especially for two autonomous district council, because if they pass this village development council also, I think they have to call for a special session. So hopefully by next month we would like to speed up this matter because, as I have said, I have mentioned that we want at least amendment of 6th schedule should be taken place within this year, so that we, from our side, we will speed up this matter. Regarding tithe scheme, there is no delay from the state government, but at least yes, sometimes back there is a delay in time to release. But as of now, we have not received the untithe scheme from the central government, right, from 21, 22 and 22, 23. So these 2 years now is still pending with the central government, because we have not yet, cannot be able to issue their UC, and there are some technical problem also, which the central government has pressured us to have that e-gram to upload all the scheme in the portal. But this technical problem is there in all the 3 ADC. So we ask the state government to write to the central government that we should be accepted from this technical problem. I think for that question you can ask the state government.
What is UCC?
You see, there are so many problems, as I have discussed, said you, that it will affect our traditional custom, like our marriage system. So you see, once this UCC has been implemented, we'll have only a uniform marriage system, right? But here in our custom, we have different. Even religious also it will affect it. Even those who have the traditional custom also, they will be affected. So as we scheduled tribe, we are feeling that this implementation of UCC will not be able to accept in our state.
Would you also urge
Pass a resolution, it means like that also, that the state government also will have to go in the same line. Like we have opposed this implementation of CAA, so the CAA has been accepted in the scheduled area. I think UCC also should be accepted in the scheduled area. There are 2 issues I have told you: the issue of village council and issue of unrepresented tribe. These are the 2 issues which the central government has written to the state government again to look for this issue. Once we clear these 2 issues, then I think from the central government also they are willing to pass this amendment at the earliest.
As far as the income,
Number of seats we are already agreed right from before. It should not exceed 40 seats. So that we have agreed. All the issues we have agreed, but only these 2 issues we have not yet agreed. So that's why it brings us to more discussion regarding this matter. So that's why we take this call to call this meeting to discuss about these 2 issues. One is unrepresented tribe, that we are totally against. Even the state government also are the same line with us, that we are against about implementation of unrepresented tribe. And secondly, regarding village council, this also we have discussed that we will propose, instead of village council, we will propose village development council. I have told you, it has sent back to us for discussion. Once we are giving green signal from here, I think the central government will take it.
if
It's not in our hand. It's up to the state government, central government to decide.
since there will be there will be increased numbers of constituency.
That we cannot comment from our side.